Have you ever wished for a magic button, something to instantly make you feel healthier and happier? Imagine if you could press a button and suddenly feel a wave of calm wash over you, your stress melting away, and your energy levels rising. While magic buttons might only exist in fairy tales, there's a real-life equivalent: yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been transforming lives for thousands of years. It's a blend of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation that can bring about profound changes in your well-being. You don't need hours, special studios, or fancy outfits. You don't need to be a seasoned yogi or have any prior experience. All you need is a small space, a few minutes, and the willingness to start. Just 10 minutes a day can make a world of difference. In just 10 minutes, you can stretch your muscles, calm your mind, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. This is your invitation to begin a journey of transformation, one breath and one pose at a time. Each breath you take, each pose you hold, is a step towards a healthier, happier you. This isn't about becoming a yoga master overnight. It's not about achieving perfection or comparing yourself to others. It's about creating space for yourself, a small pocket of time to connect with your body and mind. It's about giving yourself permission to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to be present in the moment. It's about feeling the incredible power of your own breath. Your breath is a powerful tool that can help you relax, focus, and energize your body. It's about discovering the strength and flexibility you never knew you had. With each practice, you'll find yourself growing stronger, more flexible, and more in tune with your body. So take a deep breath, roll out your mat, and start your 10-minute journey today. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Yoga is like a gentle dance for your body. It stretches and strengthens your muscles, improving flexibility and balance. With every pose, you're increasing blood flow, boosting your energy levels. Regular practice can help ease back pain, improve your posture, and even help you sleep better. But yoga's benefits go beyond the physical. It's a powerful tool for managing stress and anxiety. As you move through the poses, focusing on your breath, you quiet the constant chatter of your mind. You become present, grounded in the moment. In today's fast-paced world, finding peace can feel impossible. Your to-do list is endless, notifications buzz constantly, and stress seems to linger in the air. Yoga offers a sanctuary, a space to simply be. With each inhale and exhale, you release tension. You learn to observe your thoughts without judgment, finding a sense of calm and clarity. This newfound mental clarity can spill over into all areas of your life, helping you make better decisions and navigate challenges with grace. I don't have time for yoga. How often have you said that? We've all been there, juggling work, family, and a million other things. But here's the secret. You don't need hours to reap the benefits. 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Think about it. 10 minutes less scrolling through social media, 10 minutes less hitting the snooze button. 10 minutes dedicated to yourself, to feeling good, to investing in your well-being. Section 5. Your daily dose of yoga, a simple routine. Ready to get started? This simple routine is perfect for beginners and can easily fit into your day. Remember, listen to your body and modify poses as needed. 1. Mountain pose or Tadasana. 2. Downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3. Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2. And 4. Child's pose or Balasana. Hold each pose for 30 seconds to a minute, focusing on your breath and how your body feels. Section 6. Mountain pose. Finding your foundation. Begin standing tall, feet hip-width apart. This is the starting point of your journey, a place where you can connect with the earth beneath you and the sky above. Imagine yourself as a mountain, strong and unwavering, rooted deeply into the ground. Let your arms relax by your sides, feeling the natural weight of your body. Feel your feet grounding down, like roots growing into the earth, providing you with stability and strength. Visualize these roots spreading wide and deep, anchoring you firmly. Lift through the crown of your head, lengthening your spine as if you are being gently pulled upwards. Relax your shoulders, feeling your chest open and your heart center expand. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. As you exhale slowly, release any tension you might be holding on to. This is mountain pose, your foundation, your starting point. It is a moment of stillness and presence, a chance to connect with your inner self. Mountain pose might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. It improves posture by aligning your body correctly, ensuring that your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. This alignment helps to prevent injuries and promotes overall well-being. Engaging your legs and core in this pose strengthens these muscles, providing you with a solid base. Feel the energy in your legs, the activation of your core, and the stability it brings to your entire body. Practicing mountain pose regularly promotes a sense of grounding and stability. It helps you to feel more centered and balanced, both physically and mentally. Whether you are indoors or outdoors, this pose connects you to the present moment, allowing you to find peace and calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Embrace the power of mountain pose and let it be the foundation upon which you build your practice. Section 7. Downward Dog, a gentle inversion. From mountain pose, step back with your right foot, coming into a high lunge position. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the mat, fingers spread wide. As you exhale, step your front foot back, bringing your body into an inverted V shape. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Press through your palms, lengthening your spine and tailbone towards the sky. Downward Dog is a gentle inversion that helps to lengthen the spine, stretch the hamstrings and calves, and calm the nervous system. Section 8. Warrior 2. Building strength and balance. From Downward Dog, step your right foot forward between your hands, aligning your front heel with your back arch. Turn your back foot slightly outwards, grounding it firmly into the mat. Rise up, bringing your arms parallel to the floor, reaching actively through your fingertips. Keep your front knee bent over your ankle, feeling the strength in your legs and core. Warrior 2 is a powerful pose that builds strength, stamina, and balance. It opens the hips and chest, encouraging a sense of courage and confidence. Section 9. Child's Pose, Rest and Recharge. This pose is a sanctuary for your body and mind, offering a moment of peace in your practice. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and turn your back foot parallel to your mat. This transition sets the foundation for a smooth flow into Child's Pose, ensuring your body is aligned and ready to relax. As you exhale, bring your hands down to the mat and step back, bringing your knees wider than your hips. This movement opens up your hips, preparing them for the deep stretch that Child's Pose offers. Sink your hips back towards your heels and rest your forehead on the mat. Feel the gentle pressure on your forehead, which can help to calm your mind and relieve stress. Close your eyes and surrender to the pose, feeling the gentle stretch in your spine and hips. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, each inhale and exhale bringing you deeper into relaxation. Child's Pose is a deeply restful pose that allows you to relax and recharge. It is a moment to pause, to let go of any tension, and to reconnect with your inner self. It gently stretches the back, hips, and shoulders, releasing tension and promoting a sense of calm. This pose is not just about physical relaxation, it also offers a mental break, a chance to reset and rejuvenate. As you breathe deeply in Child's Pose, notice how your body feels. Each breath can help to release any lingering stress or tightness, allowing you to sink even deeper into the pose. When you're ready to come out of Child's Pose, do so slowly and mindfully. Gently lift your forehead from the mat, bring your knees back together, and rise up to a seated position. Take a moment to notice the sense of calm and relaxation that this pose has brought to your body and mind. Section 10. Real Stories, Real Transformations. The transformative power of yoga isn't just a concept, it's a reality for millions around the world. People from all walks of life have experienced the incredible benefits of incorporating even a few minutes of yoga into their daily routines. From reduced stress and improved sleep to increased flexibility and a renewed sense of self-love, the stories are endless. These real-life experiences are a testament to the fact that yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, ability, or experience level. Section 11. Unroll your mat, transform your life. You hold the power to transform your life, one breath, one pose, one day at a time. Unroll your mat, step into the present moment, and experience the magic of yoga. It's a journey of self-discovery, a celebration of your body's incredible capabilities, and a path towards a healthier, happier you. Start today and witness the incredible transformation that unfolds.